Good evening.
Good evening.
All the consumers present here. Welcome to, though there are not many, very few people have come, maybe caught in the traffic jam. Where?
Caught in the lead jam.
Weather.
No, the lead jam.
Lead
Too much
jam.
pollution.
Yeah. So, but anyway, we'll follow our schedule and start. So, welcome to our 9th program in the Smart Consumer Series and 37th program otherwise in a series which we started in December 2011. So, the series has been going strong with everybody's participation. Today is a bad day for our series.
Uncontrolled lead pollution, effect of lead on school-going children. So what actually is lead? If we think and if we talk about lead poisoning, it's a heavy metal. There are certain things which, if consumed, can be thrown out of the body. There could be a lot of material which we take in the body, but they are released outside the body. But lead is one of them, which remains in the body forever. So, in my discussion, I will be talking about lead poisoning. What are the dangerous levels of lead in human intake? Does it affect children more than the adults? And what are the effects of lead on growing infants and children? To have an overview, what is lead poisoning? Lead buildup in the body causes serious health problems and some of the symptoms. Now, I'm starting here with adults. But yes, I'll be getting back that where does it begin. So some of the symptoms could be headaches, irritability, reduced sensation, aggressive behavior, difficulty in sleeping. Do we ever come across such symptoms? In children, it has been noticed, abdominal pain for no reason. We ask them, did you have anything? Everything was safe, everything was consumed, which was home cooked. But yes, they may complain of abdominal pain very frequently. There could be a case of constipation, anemia, etc. Not only these, lead, which could be in very small quantities as a particulate matter, but there could be additional complications for children. Lead is more harmful to children as it can affect developing nerves and brain. A young brain, a newly born child, and I think by the age of 4 years, the brain gets fully developed.
One, we should remember that lead is not the only one, so we should take a few more. Asbestos is there, mercury is there, cadmium is there. They sound so rare to our mind in everyday life. We feel it just cannot be there for me. I could not be poisoned by that. We thought the same about lead also. And the story of lead all over the world has faced a lot of difficulty and challenges in getting rid of it. Whether it is America, whether it is Scandinavia, these are one of the advanced countries who really look after their citizens well. We just finished a conference, we had an environment meeting, it's held by Collegium in a village in Italy called Papi. And all these stalwarts come and you hear their stories, how much they have to fight and how much the media, and more important than the media, the industry is after their life. They are threatened, cases are filed against them, so we really have to do it. And we can do it only once we are convinced that lead is bad.
I have decided to dump everything because between them, Dr. Gupta and Ms. Gupta have done me in. जो कुछ बताने का था, सब कुछ बता दिया. चलिए, फिर मैंने सोचा कि जो presentation थी, जो भी मेरा सोच थी, उसको dump कर. So I had to quickly rethink the whole thing, and this is where I arrived. That I thought that you could all imagine the anatomy of a female anatomy. Okay? So because I'm going to talk about lead and women, lead poisoning in women. That's what I was told by Dr. Leslie. There are too many Guptas here, if you ask me. But anyway, so I thought कि अब क्या करें? ये तो सारा ही खत्म कर दिया इन्होंने. तो फिर मैंने सोचा कि let me rethink it. So I remembered, besides the anatomy, कि यहाँ से शुरू करेंगे, तो पहले ये इतना हिस्सा लें. फिर मुझे याद आया बहुत साल पहले मैं बनारस गई थी with the mission of talking to rural women and somehow plunging into their problems. तो मैंने एक वर्कशॉप करी 5 दिन तक, रोज वो सारी औरतें आ जाती थी। जो सबसे पहले मैंने नोटिस किया था, इतना चौड़ा फ्लोरोसेंट सिंदूर, इतना चौड़ा चौड़ा। फिर मैंने देखा कि सबके सब they were all chewing tobacco, सिंदूर लगा के, टोबैको लगा के, सारी लिपस्टिक भी लगा के आई थी। रूरल विमेन थी, बट दे वर ऑल अच्छी तरह से, जो चीप लिपस्टिक होती, which I found when my office was in Bhogal, area of Bhogal. Then I found out कि वहाँ पर हर मंगलवार को, जब सोमवार को जब उसकी मार्केट बंद होती थी, तो हर कॉस्मेटिक की स्पूरियस वर्जन मिलती थी वहाँ। नाम वही होते थे, थोड़ा सा स्पेलिंग का इधर उधर, एक वावल हटा दिया, एक प्लूरल लगा दिया, वो होते वही थे और वैसे ही पैकिंग में भी मिलते थे। और everybody would buy all the below the poverty line पे नहीं कहना चाहिए, but poor people would come and buy, rural people would come and buy from that हाट, that बाजार जो सोमवार को लगता था।